Tomatoes farming secrets, step-by-step guide for maximum profit. Foundation stone number 4. That is strategic companion planting and biodiversity. Nature harbors monocultures, and your tomato farm will thrive when you embrace biodiversity through strategic companion planting. This ancient practice, validated by modern agricultural science, involves growing complementary plants together to create beneficial relationships that improve growth, repel pests, attract beneficial insects, and maximize land use efficiency. Farmers implementing companion planting report between 10 to 20% yield increases, while reducing pest management costs by between 30 to 50%. Step-by-step implementation of this. Design your tomato field as a diverse ecosystem rather than a monoculture. Plant basil between every 3rd or 4th tomato plant. This aromatic herb repels aphid, whiteflies, and hornworms while improving tomato flavor. The beautiful symbiosis here is that you create an additional income stream from basil sales while protecting your primary crop. Interpass marigolds, that is, tegid species, around the perimeter and throughout your tomato field. Their roots produce compounds that suppress root knot nematodes, and their flowers attract beneficial insects like ladybugs and lacewings that prey on tomato pests. Plant rows of alliums, that is, onions, garlics, or chives adjacent to tomato rows. These confuse and repel many insect pests through their strong scent while occupying minimal space and providing another marketable crop. Create beneficial insect habitats by planting flowering borders with diverse species that bloom at fast times, like cosmos, sunflowers, buckwheat, and alyssum are excellent choices. These attract pollinators, predatory insects, and parasitoid wasps that naturally control pest populations. Dedicate between 5 to 10% of your field to these beneficial habitats, and you will see dramatic reductions in pest pressure across your entire farm. Interplant nitrogen-fixing plants like beans or peas along the edges of your tomato rows during the early season before tomatoes reach full size. These legumes enrich the soil for your tomatoes while providing an early harvest. Avoid planting tomatoes near brassicas, cabbage family, fennel or walnut trees, which can inhibit tomato growth through allelopathic effects. Here is your troubleshooting guide. If companion plants compete too aggressively with tomatoes for nutrients or space, ensure proper spacing. Companion plants should enhance, not compete. If certain combinations don't work in your specific conditions, experiment with the different partners. Agriculture is both science and art, requiring local adaptation. If beneficial insects aren't establishing, ensure you are not using broad-spectrum pesticides that kill beneficial organisms along with pests. This defeats the purpose of companion planting. Be patient. It may take a full season for beneficial insects population to build up, but once established, they provide long-term pest management. Tomatoes farming secrets, step-by-step guide for maximum profit. This is foundation Stone number 5.